bird. Oh, you're hiding over there. Oh my God, there's so many birds over there. Oh. What? Wow. So many. I. What? See? Oh, they're so big. Mm. Birds everywhere. Hi, birds. Oh, look at this. Wow, there's so many birds. Do you live here?
Ha?
Are you still? Are you living here?
Tigay na tiyag tapos siguro.
I never know. I never know, Peter, that you live here.
Kami tuloy.
I don't know, my dear. Why is it your house affected?
No, narnar pa dagi dya garahit pa da. Dagi
Huh?
ways ko.
I never know. I never know, Peter, that you're still here.
Lahay na. Eh, lugam ni nga tuwa. Dukot siting bukla. Napura.
Oh my God, I'm so sorry, my dear. Well, that's life. Go and eat. Go and eat. Did you eat already?
Mapandagan ta swimming pool. Nakalam naman.
Huh?
Uyugot kita.
Oh, I see. Look at this bird. Okay, okay, my dear. Hi. Wow. Oh my God, this is so pretty. Look. Ay. Wow. Wow, this is in Hyatt Regency Maui. Oh my God, look at this. So pretty. Ay. So much. Ay. Ay. Ay, ay, ay. This is so cute. Did you see this? A baby. Still a baby. Hi, baby. Hi. A flamingo. Hi, pretty. Oh, she's so pretty. Wow. Oh, she's so pretty. Pretty, pretty. Wow. Oh, they're so pretty. There's no word to describe. Can I just imagine? There's no word to describe.